Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the best tools on the market for your home improvement needs. Today, we're diving into a game changer for siding installations, the PacTool Gecko Gauge LP Siding Mounting Kit. This isn't just any siding gauge, it's hailed as the best in the market for several reasons we'll uncover in this review. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a DIY enthusiast tackling your first siding project, this tool promises to streamline your installation process like never before. Let's start with what's inside the box. The PacTool Gecko gauge comes as a set of 2 gauges, meticulously designed to handle 3/8-inch LP siding with precision and ease. Made from durable plastic with a rubberized grip, they ensure a secure hold without scratching or damaging the siding surface. One of the standout features is its Pro Grip clamp, which allows for one-person installation, eliminating the need for constant adjustments and reducing installation time by up to 50%. This means fewer headaches and more efficiency, especially when you're working solo. What truly sets the PacTool Gecko gauge apart is its versatility. It accommodates siding reveals from 4 to 8 inches, adjustable in 1/4 inch increments. This flexibility ensures uniform spacing and professional results across your entire project, whether you're working on a small shed or a large home exterior. Built for the pros, these gauges are compatible with both primed and pre-finished siding products. The patented friction cam mechanism offers superior holding power, supporting full 16-foot siding lengths effortlessly. This not only enhances safety but also maintains consistent alignment throughout the installation. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your siding game with a tool that's trusted by professionals and appreciated by DIYers, look no further than the PacTool Gecko Gauge LP Siding Mounting Kit. Its robust design, time-saving features, and universal compatibility make it a standout choice in the world of siding installation tools. That wraps up today's review on the PacTool Gecko Gauge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.